Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Nancy. I'm a makeup artist. Today we're talking about frosted lipstick. Can you wear frosted lipstick after 40? Absolutely. And you should, because anytime that we add some sparkle, some shimmer to our complexion, it makes us look fresh and playful. So there are tons of frosted lipsticks on the market right now. And if you're not sure you want to invest in one yet and you want to see if this look is for you, then let's just do this little DIY at home. Go ahead and grab your favorite lipstick that's in your color code. Apply your lipstick like normal. Then grab your eyeshadows. Look at your eyeshadow palettes. Find a shimmery eyeshadow, a metallic, an iridescent, something like that that's in your color code and it's going to coordinate with your lipstick color. And go ahead and we're going to put that right onto the lips. Now you get the idea if this is the look that you want. Try it out, see how many compliments you get, and let me know. There's some resources in the box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.